Now we have a supernatural noise just to the right of the Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. Yeah. Just gone there. It's about 9 minutes past midnight now. The 9th of October 2025. That's a weird noise. That is a weird noise. I'm just making a cup of tea. What is that? At midnight? Yeah, definitely supernatural, because we have the I've just done a video of the moon, but that's right above my house from this perspective anyway. There we go, we've got the moon. Right above my house. What's the chance of that? It was a full moon yesterday, well, on the 7th. It's the 9th now. 9th of October 2025. And now we have the moon above my house. Just from my garden there, I've just took a video. It's over number 17 next door, which is my friend, where my friend Trish used to live, my best friend. So it's over both the houses. No stars in the sky moving or any visible light shining. Sound's gone now. No idea what that was. Well, probably supernatural. Anyway, bye for now.